Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Emily, and today we're going to tackle something that I know affects many of us: body pain. Whether it's from arthritis, joint stiffness, muscle soreness after exercise, or even chronic pain conditions, inflammation plays a huge role in how we feel. And the best part? We can fight it with the foods we eat. Yes, you heard that right. What we put on our plates can be just as important as any medication in controlling inflammation and pain. Fruits and vegetables are the foundation of a healthy diet and a powerful weapon against inflammation. Packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients, they protect your cells from damage. Think about vibrant greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which combat inflammation. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts contain sulforaphane, reducing inflammation markers. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, delicious and full of antioxidants. Their vibrant colors come from anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables is key. Each color represents different compounds, so a diverse plate is better equipped to fight inflammation. Toss spinach into smoothies, roast colorful veggies, or keep a bowl of mixed berries for a snack. A healthy gut is a happy gut, and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables support a healthy gut microbiome. By incorporating more fruits and vegetables, you're fighting inflammation and supporting gut health. While some fats can contribute to inflammation, others, like the ones we're discussing today, are essential for combating it. When it comes to cooking oils, extra virgin olive oil should be your go-to. It's like liquid gold for your body. Extra virgin olive oil contains a special compound called oleocanthal, which acts like a natural ibuprofen, reducing inflammation and pain. Studies have shown that diets rich in olive oil, like the Mediterranean diet, are linked to lower levels of inflammation and a reduced risk of chronic pain conditions. So, ditch the inflammatory oils and embrace the goodness of extra virgin olive oil. Use it for salad dressings, sautéing vegetables, or even drizzling over cooked dishes for a burst of flavor and health benefits. But remember, moderation is key with all fats, even the healthy ones. While extra virgin olive oil is incredibly beneficial, too much of a good thing can still tip the scales. Incorporate it into your diet mindfully, alongside a variety of other healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds. Think of your body like a car. If you fill it with the wrong type of fuel, it won't run smoothly. The same goes for the fats you consume. Choosing healthy fats, like those found in extra virgin olive oil, is like giving your body premium fuel to run at its best. So make the switch today and experience the difference. Chapter 4: Whole Grains, Fueling Your Body for Long-Term Health. Let's talk about whole grains, the unsung heroes of a healthy diet and a powerful ally in our fight against inflammation. They're like the reliable friends who always have your back, providing long-lasting energy and support. Unlike refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and sugary snacks, which can send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride and increase inflammation over time, whole grains are here to keep things stable. They're packed with fiber, a superhero nutrient that acts like a sponge in your digestive system, slowing down sugar absorption and keeping those blood sugar spikes at bay. But their benefits don't stop there. Fiber is also essential for feeding the good bacteria in your gut, those friendly microbes that play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout your body. Think of your gut as a garden. Whole grains are like the rich compost that nourishes the soil, allowing those beneficial bacteria to flourish and keep your gut healthy and happy. So, what are some examples of these inflammation-fighting whole grains? Oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat are all excellent choices. Swap out your morning cereal for a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts, or try a quinoa salad for lunch. These simple swaps can make a world of difference. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 3 servings of whole grains per day to reap the anti-inflammatory benefits and keep your body running smoothly. It's like giving your body a steady supply of the nutrients it needs to thrive. So, embrace the power of whole grains and let's move on to the next chapter in our journey towards a pain-free life. Chapter 5. Herbs and Spices. Nature's flavorful pharmacy for pain relief. Let's talk about the incredible power of herbs and spices. They're not just there to add flavor to your food, they're nature's pharmacy, packed with powerful compounds that can help fight inflammation and relieve pain. First up, we have turmeric, the golden child of the spice world. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory, so powerful that studies have shown it can be just as effective as some over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications. Think of curcumin as a warrior, fighting inflammation at its source. It interferes with the inflammatory pathways in your body, effectively reducing pain and swelling. Adding just a teaspoon of turmeric to your meals can make a huge difference. Sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, stir it into soups, or enjoy a warm cup of turmeric tea. And here's a pro tip: pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that enhances the absorption of curcumin, making it even more effective. Next, we have ginger, another superstar in the world of natural pain relief. It contains compounds called gingerols, which have been shown to effectively reduce muscle pain and soreness, especially after exercise. Imagine yourself enjoying a cup of soothing ginger tea after a workout, or adding fresh ginger to your stir-fries and smoothies. Not only does it add a delicious zing, but it also helps your muscles recover faster. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain or just looking for natural ways to ease everyday aches, herbs and spices are your allies. Experiment in the kitchen, try different combinations, and discover the power of nature's pharmacy. Chapter 6. Green tea. Sip your way to less pain. Let's talk about green tea, a beverage that's not just delicious and refreshing, but also a powerful ally in our fight against inflammation. It's like a soothing balm for your body, calming those inflammatory fires from the inside out. Green tea gets its superhero powers from a group of antioxidants called catechins, with EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, being the most potent of them all. EGCG is a powerful warrior, fighting inflammation at its source by inhibiting the production of inflammatory chemicals. Think of EGCG as a fire extinguisher, effectively putting out those inflammatory fires and reducing pain and swelling. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea can lead to lower levels of inflammatory markers in the blood, providing relief from both acute and chronic pain. And the best part? Incorporating green tea into your routine is incredibly easy. Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day to experience its full benefits. Start your day with a cup of green tea instead of coffee, or enjoy it as a soothing afternoon pick-me-up. You can even find green tea in delicious flavors like mint, lemon, or jasmine, making it a treat for your taste buds as well. But remember, not all green teas are created equal. Choose high-quality loose leaf tea or tea bags over sugary bottled versions, which can often contain added sugars and negate the health benefits. So make green tea your new go-to beverage and sip your way to a less inflamed, pain-free you. So there you have it, a simple guide to using an anti-inflammatory diet to relieve body pain. By making a few small changes, adding more fruits, vegetables, omega-3s, whole grains, and anti-inflammatory spices, you can help your body heal from the inside out. Remember, the key to any diet is consistency. Try to incorporate these foods into your daily routine and see how your body feels. You might be surprised by how much relief you can get just by eating right. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and advice. And as always, take care of your body. It's the only one you've got.